as I know, as in my opinion, Indonesian authors have difficulties in language because sometimes when we write, especially for academic writing, we have sometimes when we submit it, the style of the academic writing that we usually do here might be different if we submit it internationally. The style of writing and the language. The main problem is language, and after that the access. Sometimes we don't know or we don't know where we have to submit, or and also maybe the how to write a citation, and we just still need to do more workshop maybe about that, and also when maybe give more workshop and like really for example, like everyone has to submit one article and then give the guidelines how to do, for example, like abstract. For example, like abstract, what have to be consist in the abstract, or how to do the style of writing in one, for example, a journal, so we know how to make a good article.